Welcome to the Talking Imaging podcast. Today we're talking with Jeremy Byram, Service Operations Manager at Numed Denton Service Center. The facility opened in June of 2018 and quickly became integral in serving clients with everything from equipment maintenance to system staging to parts sales and management. Since Numed has been in business since 1975, we sat down with Jeremy to discuss how this new facility has impacted customer service and satisfaction. What was the goal behind the new service center?
The Denton Service Center serves as a central hub for all service. Everything comes through here before we dispatch engineers and send parts. We also have system upgrades and system storage. It's really helped us reduce costs, which we can in turn pass on to the customer. Instead of having to run around the country to try to find something, it's all right here.
Tell me about service delivery. What elements does the center provide?
When you're talking service delivery, whether planned or on demand, many factors come into play in order to consistently provide high quality service. It's critical that we have a full and accurate understanding of what the client's needs are. Everything is routed through here. This service center enables us to ensure that parts we use are traceable, tested, and clean and well preserved.
How does the service center allow Numed to better serve its interim and long-term leasing clients?
Our engineers go through a rigorous inspection process to make sure that the system is ready for installation. Doing that allows us to reduce the time it takes to install the system. A week normal install turns into maybe 3 days. This means we offer high quality systems at a very competitive price point.
How does the Denton Service Center fit with Numed's commitment to excellence?
Numed has a long history of dedication to our customers. Been in business since 1975, and we have contracts that have been reoccurring for over 30 years. Customer service through operational excellence is the key component to our success.
To find out more about Numed, visit us at numedinc.com.